Okay, this is experiment number 3. And our question, which is state the problem, number 1 for the scientific method would be, which liquid will expand the balloon the fastest when mixed with baking soda and white vinegar or lime juice? And I have 2 cups of white vinegar and 2 cups of lime juice. I used the same type of bottle. It was an empty water bottle, recycled. I have 2 red balloons, the same size, same color, and then I have 1 tablespoon of baking soda in each balloon. Okay, so now I'm going to put the top of the balloon on here. So right now, you should be deciding what your hypothesis is. So what do you think is going to happen? Do you think the white vinegar will expand the balloon the fastest? Do you think the lime juice will expand the balloon the fastest? Or do you think they'll react at the same time? Or do you think there'll be no reaction? So that's what you should answer before we perform the experiment. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.